This is a classic, an old one. It's a book from 1967, and it's a research book with a lot of extensive research in it. If I can get to the opening here, copyright 1967, and you can see that aside from the table of contents, it's got a lot of credit to the people that helped with the research, including Edward Ezell. So this is the world's assault rifles and automatic carbines. I'm sure there's lots of reasons people like this book. For me, it's an interesting book because this is the first time in the West that we had an instance of the AK-47 or the Kalashnikov in print. So this is a 1967 book about the world's assault rifles, which were a fairly new phenomenon at the time, only about 20 years old. And this is the first time in the West in an English book we had the appearance of the Kalashnikov or the AK-47. Probably lots of other interesting things in there. I'm just not as familiar with all of that. You can still find these. Hope this helps.